Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Investments. First, you'll need to open an account, which is a straightforward process online or through their mobile app. You'll provide personal details and choose an account type that fits your financial goals, such as a general brokerage account or a Roth IRA. Once your account is set up, you can easily fund it by linking your bank account and making an initial deposit. Next, it's time to explore your investment options. Fidelity offers a wide range of choices, including individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. Take time to research each product, understanding its potential for growth versus its associated risks. Diversifying your investments across different types of assets is a smart strategy to help manage risk and pursue your financial objectives. Once you've chosen your investments, placing a trade is simple. You can buy or sell shares using market orders for immediate execution or limit orders for price control. After your trades are placed, regularly monitor your portfolio's performance through Fidelity's online platform or mobile app. It's also wise to periodically rebalance your holdings to ensure they align with your long-term investment strategy. Fidelity provides advanced tools to enhance your investing experience, including detailed research, planning resources, and even options trading capabilities. Consider setting up automatic investments to consistently contribute to your goals over time. Should you need assistance, Fidelity offers robust customer support through their virtual assistant, online chat, or by phone, ensuring you always have help available.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.